How to add Gmail to iPhone Mail app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for apps. So tap on the apps option you see there and then scroll down to the bottom and navigate to the mail application and tap on it. Here, you will see the option for mail accounts. So tap on the mail accounts option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the add account option there. You will then be required to choose the account that you want to add. So since we are adding Gmail, tap on the Google option you see there and further, you will be required to enter your email ID and the password for the account that you are looking forward to add. So go ahead and enter the required details, that is your email and your password. Once entered, you will be required to tap on the continue button you see there. So tap on the continue button and with this, as you can see, your Gmail account has been added to your mail account. So tap on the save option on the top right of your screen and it will be saved. So this was about how you can add Gmail to iPhone Mail app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.